Rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Malayaw umayong adlaw kaninyong tanan. Magandang araw sa inyo lahat. My warmest greetings to our overseas Filipino workers, our beloved OFWs. As the Christmas season unfolds, let us receive, share, and celebrate the profoundly extraordinary gift of love, forgiveness, and service God has blessed us through Jesus. Jesus was born to live among us and love us unconditionally. And this love forgets the pain, heals the wounds, and unites the broken. This love binds us together and extends beyond our borders, embracing our overseas Filipino workers who selflessly serve and sacrifice far from their loved ones. Malayo man kayo sa inyong mga mahal sa buhay, gusto kong ipabatid sa inyo na ang inyong pagsusumikap at dedikasyon ay nagdudulot ng saya at pag-asa hindi lamang sa inyong pamilya, kundi sa buong Pilipinas. With hearts touched by Jesus, we show compassion and care for the oppressed, the needy, the sick, the dying, and the dead. I wish that your celebration truly becomes meaningful and one that will deepen the love we have for our families and our country. Let us pray for the stability of our country and for Filipino families in difficult situations, that they are given strength, peace of mind, and faith in God to overcome their trials. Naway magdala sa inyo ang Kapaskuhan na ito ng kapayapaan, kaginhawaan, at panibagong lakas at pag-asa. Mahal namin kayo at pinapahalagahan namin ang inyong mga sakripisyo. Magkasama o magkahiwalay, tayo ay iisang pamilyang Pilipino na nagdiriwang ng Pasko. Sa bawat video message, sa bawat online Christmas party, sa bawat kwentong ibinabahagi ninyo ngayong Pasko, alalahanin natin ang ating pinakadakilang regalo ay ang isa't isa. Maligayang Pasko at manigong bagong taon sa inyong lahat. Sa lahat ng ating ginagawa, ay para sa Diyos, sa bayan, at sa bawat pamilyang Pilipino. Syukran.